Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1933 Remington Portable Model 5 vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions, make sure they all work. Up top is the adjustable paper guide. This helps you guide the page in straight. I'm going to line that up with the edge of the platen, which is this main roller that feeds the paper. Margins are located behind the carriage here. You just tilt the ends and you can move them. You just want to make sure they're in between the two paper fingers in front. This is your left margin, this is your right margin, and they just kind of lock into place, and there's a scale to tell you exactly what space you're on. And I have the paper fingers in front. You can adjust those too. I just have them on the edges, so we have maximum clearance. They look good. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit this line space, skip it back to the beginning, and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, there's a little knob right in between here. You pull it out towards the left here and rotate it back or down, and it skips 2. Pull it out and rotate it up, it skips 1. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. And I was able to type most of the keys on one line because this has Elite typeface, which prints 12 characters per inch, a bit smaller than Pica, which is 10. And as you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Beautiful typing machine. Really like this model. Very nice condition for being almost 100 years old. Glossy black, you can see your reflection in it. Very rare to see one in this condition. It's a really nice typewriter as well. Upgrade from the portable one, which is also a really popular model. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. You flip that back and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easier. Load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. We've got a shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again, backspace on the top right. Works good. Below that is the paragraph button that just skips 5 spaces every time you push it. And right next to that is the color selector switch. If you switch it up, it prints the bottom portion of the ribbon. Switch it down, it prints the top portion of the ribbon, which is black. Got a solid black ribbon here, and so you can double use that if you just use the whole top side and then switch it to use the bottom side. This little silver button here is the margin release, so I'm going to move the margin a little bit so I have more clearance. So when you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that blocks you from printing. If you hit that margin release, it will allow you to go all the way to the end. That works good. And I think that's it on the keyboard. On the right side of the carriage, on either side is the ribbon ratchet or the ribbon reverse. So if you push it in, it pulls to the left. You pull it out, it pulls to the right. And you could do the same on each side and ratchet the ribbon up. Carriage release on each side, very smooth. And if you want to lock the carriage when you have it in a case, there's a little lever right here. You pull it towards the left a little bit and then lock it behind this little knob here, and it locks the carriage in the middle, so when you have it in the case, it doesn't bang around and cause possible damage to your escapement. So you pull it out and flip it back to unlock it like that. And this little button on the end of the knob, if you push it in, it disables the spacing when you turn the knob, so you can get to an exact spot on the page. And if you push it in and turn it to the left there, counterclockwise, it locks it into place. And if you push it in and then move it clockwise, it unlocks it. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.